A very small point, but very crucial point to doing great SMP procedures is stretching the skin. It's very important that we stretch the skin to give us nice clean impressions. It makes it easier for our needle to go into the skin when the skin's under tension. If not, our needle can bounce off the skin. This can cause blowouts from an uneven pressure of our needle in the skin. It can cause unneeded trauma to the skin, causing longer heal times if we don't stretch. So although it's a very small thing, it's a very important thing. We'll make sure on all your clients we're stretching the skin, and this will give you much better procedures. Okay, so we talked about skin stretch being important. So just a little demonstration for you to put it into context. So when we use the needle on the skin and it's not pulled taut, it's very hard to get the needle into the skin. So if we imagine the piece of tissue is the skin and it's not taut, the pen is the needle, you can see it won't go through, okay? So just to give a little demonstration, if we pull this nice and taut now, it'll go through nice and easy, okay? So the idea is when we stretch the skin, it makes it a lot easier for us to go through. When it's slack, we can't get through there as easy, yeah?